Everyone, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel.
Here we go.
So today we're going to be talking about Black Friday. So we're going to be talking about Black Friday predictions. So it is the month of October, and it's definitely not too early to be thinking of Black Friday deals, because once Halloween is over, from my experience from last year, it's going to be Christmas. Once Halloween's over, then we just like skip Thanksgiving, it seems like, and then now we're on to holiday shopping. So I want to go ahead and share with you guys my predictions, but before I go into that, I want to share with you guys my earliest story from doing Black Friday shopping. So I would remember when I was in middle school, it might even have been like early elementary, like late elementary school. I remember my mom telling me that she wanted to go to JCPenney because at JCPenney, if you got in line, everyone was getting a snow globe, like a Mickey snow globe, and my mom and I waited in line for the Mickey snow globe, and we collected them for a good, like, probably 10 years, and then JCPenney slowly but surely started to not issue out their snow globes anymore. So comment below if you guys remember when JCPenney would issue out their snow globes. And then I also remember going to Kmart with her, because Kmart would have some really good Black Friday offerings, like pajamas and just all sorts of random stuff. So I have so many different memories when it comes to Black Friday shopping, specifically at JCPenney and Kmart. So I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below what your latest memory is of Black Friday shopping, and also let me know what your favorite deal is that you snagged on the Black Friday shopping season. I'm just going to go through a few stores and just share with you guys what I think their sales are going to be. And definitely now is the time to be loading up on your gift cards from your apps. So we're talking Fetch Rewards, we're talking Checkout 51, we're talking Ibotta. This is the time to start racking up those points and then saving them for Black Friday. So if you guys are not signed up for any of those apps that I'm talking about, I will have links below, as well as a video explaining how to use the different apps. So what you want to do, I'm also going to leave a link below for a few online rebate apps. So we're talking Rakuten, as well as topcash.com, because a lot of these stores I'm going to talk about, they're also going to be doing deals online as well, and you definitely want to be earning those cashbacks when you're shopping online. So we're just going to hop into it. So first store I'll mention is Kohl's. Now I think Kohl's is going to do their spend 50 and get $15 back in Kohl's Cash. They do this every single year, so I don't see why they wouldn't do it again this year. I think they're going to have a killer deal on towels. I know that the Kohl's, the big towels, they tend to be on sale for about $2.99. I know those are the stock of time for towels, as well as sheets. Like, you can get a really good high thread count of sheets for really inexpensive. So anytime when I'm shopping Kohl's, I'm always shopping for like the bedding, as well as the jumping beans clothing as well. So with Walmart, I'm pretty sure that Walmart is going to be having their stock up prices when it comes to, you know, Dyson vacuums. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to get a Dyson vacuum for around $200. So if that's been something on your wish list, that's definitely something you can look out for. I have a feeling that they're going to be doing really good sales on the Pioneer Woman cookware. So if you're looking for, you know, her like pot and her pots and pans and all of her miscellaneous cooking items, that's definitely probably going to be a good bet, as well as her cookbooks tend to be on sale for about $10. Children's books you're going to be seeing anywhere from about $4 to $5. Children's PJs are usually around $5. So that's my prediction when it comes to Walmart. So I think different clothing stores like Justice, the Children's Place, what's another store that we shop at? The Gap, Old Navy. I think it's going to be 50% off the whole entire store. So whether if it's going to be starting on Thursday, which is Thanksgiving, through Black Friday, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a 50% off sale. It tends to be the time when those stores get as low as 50% off. And then stores like the Children's Place and Justice with their rewards programs, I'm pretty sure that they're probably going to even be offering like extra rewards when it comes to their rewards programs. Okay, so with Target, I'm pretty sure that over at Target you're going to be able to get really good deals on the different like Amazon Fires. So my mom has the Amazon Fire tablet. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to get it around $30. Also the Amazon Kids tablet with the actual like bumper case, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to get that in at around $70. I'm pretty sure you're going to get movies as low as maybe $3 to $10 depending on what movie you're looking for. I'm going to predict that you're also going to be able to get buy one get one 50% on select toys like Melissa and Doug, V-Tech. I think you're also going to be able to get, you know, select baby items like pack and plays and strollers and car seats at least 50%. I also think you're going to be able to get a really good sale on pajamas. So like kids pajamas, I'm thinking is going to be around $5. Adult PJs around $10. I think maybe even the women's sweaters will be around $10. But I will tell you guys this, a little secret that I have learned along the way is the best time to buy toys during the Black Friday shopping week is actually the second week of December, because what the retailers want you to do is they want you to buy over the Black Friday weekend. They want you to buy the toys then. But when they are not seeing the sales that they want to see, then they're going to start, you know, issuing even more discounts. So you'll be seeing more cartwheels coming about, and Target tends to do a 50% off toy cartwheel every single day, starting in December. So definitely look out for those. And if there's something specific that you know your kids want over at Target, that's what I'm talking about in terms of, you know, racking up those gift cards and saving those gift cards, tucking them away, and using them over the Black Friday weekends. Now we'll talk about like CVS and Walgreens. I think Walgreens absolutely is going to do their buy one get two free sale for the toys. So if you're seeing in the toy section right now, I think that those toys are definitely going to be buy one get two. So I think they're going to be buy one and get two free. The past, I want to say 3 years, CVS has been doing their deals where, you know, you buy the baby wipes for 99 cents, you get a 99-cent extra care box. So I'm pretty sure that that's going to happen this time around as well. So my suggestion to you guys, if you're wanting to obtain those freebies, definitely consider maybe collecting quite a few extra care bucks for that. So maybe like a week before Black Friday is about to happen, just make sure you have a good surplus of extra care bucks. Maybe do a few more deals to, you know, rack up those extra care bucks. And if you didn't know, you could also cash out your Fetch Rewards points and get CVS gift cards. So that would be another way that you could go about buying that. Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, they're likely to do buy one get one free batteries. So, you know, toys that need batteries. Another one is Michaels. So Michaels tends to do a 50% off of the holiday stuff, but then they'll have an additional coupon in their mailer, like for Thanksgiving night through like the morning of Black Friday. They'll give you like an additional 30% or additional 25%. So if you guys have to have, you know, new holiday decor, then definitely wait and go do it at Michaels. That's the only store that I actually go to on Thanksgiving evening, because no one is there, because everyone's at Walmart, everyone's at Target, everyone's at Best Buy. I just go to Michaels where no one is at. So they're also going to have a ton of like doorbusters and stuff like that. So in terms of like Black Friday, my strategy is I like to shop like locally in like smaller stores. So I like to go to my local like strip mall where I'm currently sitting at right now, and we have like a beauty supply store, we have like a local clothing boutique, so they're going to be doing some deals as well. And then we can't forget about Cyber Monday, we can't forget about Small Business Saturday. So if you like, you know, are interested in like Etsy shops or, you know, smaller businesses, definitely take a look out for that, or simply just ask, like go through your stores in the mall and say, hey, like, have you been around during Black Friday season? That's what I do. I recently talked to the Disney store employee, and she had told me that last year's sale was 25% off. So typically stores will, you know, repeat the sale that they did previously Maybe it'll be like maybe 5% less, or maybe 5% more, or maybe there'll be like an earlier time. But typically when it comes to Black Friday shopping, it tends to be very, very consistent in terms of like what offerings are happening. Also, something that I want to mention to you guys is Pkwy and PetSmart are a great time to take advantage of like dog food and like flea supply and dog treats. And a lot of times they'll do like a freebie. Well, they'll give you like a free ornament if you make any purchase. What else? I know Kohl's has sent out a coupon for like $10 off of anything, so you can go in there and just buy something for $10. Over at Kohl's, you're actually able to stack a percentage off coupon on top of like sale items. So if I were you, I would start making your holiday shopping list like now. Like look in your house, see, okay, is it time to replace my muffin tin? Is it time for me to replace my washing machine? Is it like, make a list of what you need to replace in your house in terms of like household stuff. Maybe you need a new lawnmower. I don't know what you need in your house, but now is the time to start making that list. And then you also need to start making a list of like who you're going to gift to, like how many kids are you gifting to, what's your budget. Like now's the time to sit down with your spouse or sit down with yourself and say, okay, how much do I want to spend for the holidays, and kind of like make budgets and go in like that. Because something that I have learned in my years of Black Friday shopping is it is really easy for you to get overboard. It is easy for you to get overwhelmed. It's easy for you to spend a lot more than you had planned. So when you go into Black Friday shopping, always be prepared. Have your list, have your budget, and just be careful of all of like the doorbusters that you're going to start seeing, because the doorbusters is how these companies are getting you to spend more money that you wouldn't actually spend. And you know that's true because it happens probably every single time you guys go into Target. You guys go into Target for eggs and you leave without the eggs. And that happened to me when I went to Target with my boys on Wednesday. I went in there with the intention of buying eggs. I got to the checkout. I had PJ Masks coloring book and markers. I had a denim shirt for myself. I had something else. I had Pillsbury biscuits. And at the checkout, I was like, oh my God, I forgot the eggs. So I paid for it. Then I had to go back and get the eggs. So just know that retailers are wanting that from you guys. Like retailers want you to be spending more money with those doorbusters. So also with Old Navy, I know that they do like their socks for like $1. So like those like fluffy socks. Every single year they've been doing like $1 socks. So if you're just wanting to, you know, gift to your family members without like spending a lot of money, that could be something you could do as well. Or maybe just gift like a card, like just something that is really important for you guys to understand, that just because it's the holiday season doesn't mean that you need to be like giving someone a gift. Like that's not what the holidays are about. And try your best. I know it's really hard to say. It's hard not to put pressure on yourself when it comes to the holiday season and you wanting to, you know, gift so many gifts to so many people. I'm just telling you from experience, especially from last year, with Christmas, my house was like overwhelmed with stuff because my kids are very blessed to have, you know, family members that gift them an abundance of stuff. And I full-blown had like panic attacks when it came to all the stuff that was in my house. Like I literally started like boxing stuff up like the day of Christmas. I was like, I can't Christmas anymore. Like this stuff has got to go. So we actually have a new plan that we're doing this year to where we're keeping it very minimal. We're trying to go with the whole, you know, need it, read it, want it, eat it. I think there's another one. Comment below what the second one is. But, you know, we're really trying to go minimal with the kids, and you know, with friends and family, we're letting them know like, hey, the kids like to go to the movies with Chris, the older kids like to go to the movies with Chris, so we're like, why don't you give them like a movie ticket or some sort of like experience, because they like going places. So maybe like a game card for Chuck E. Cheese or Dave & Buster's or something like that, because it's something that they enjoy doing. So that's another idea for you guys as well. And definitely keep an eye peeled for gift card deals. So I remember last year with CVS, they ran a Chili's promotion to where if you spent $50 in a Chili's gift card, you got a $10 extra care bucks. So the week before Thanksgiving, I bought the Chili's gift card, and then I had $10 to go into the Black Friday deals with. So that's a really easy deal to like get a high value extra care buck, if that makes any sense. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and comment below where your favorite places are to shop Black Friday. And I will talk to you guys all later. Bye guys.